In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Google Drive to File Explorer on Windows so it feels just like another folder on your computer. By the end, you'll be able to open, move, and save files to Google Drive directly from File Explorer, which can make your workflow much smoother and a lot more familiar. To start, you'll need Google Drive for Desktop installed and signed in on your PC. This is different from just using Google Drive in your web browser. Google Drive for Desktop is a small app from Google that connects your online drive storage to your Windows system. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the official Google Drive website and download the Drive for Desktop application for Windows. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it and follow the on-screen prompts. During installation, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Take a moment to sign in with the account that holds the files you want to access. You may also see some options about syncing or streaming files. Streaming is usually best if you want to save space on your computer, because files stay in the cloud and only download when you open them. Choose the option that fits your needs, then finish the setup. After the installation and sign-in are complete, Google Drive for Desktop will start running in the background. You might notice a small drive icon appear in your system tray near the clock, which is a good sign that everything is working. Now, it's time to bring Google Drive into File Explorer. Open File Explorer the way you normally would. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar, double-click any folder on your desktop, or press the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look over to the left sidebar. This is where Windows lists your main locations, such as this PC, downloads, and documents. In that left-hand list, you should now see an entry for Google Drive. It may appear under a section like this PC or as its own item with the Google Drive icon. When you click it, you'll see your My Drive contents and possibly any shared drives you have access to, just like browsing any other folder. You can open files directly, drag and drop items into Google Drive, and even rename or delete files, all from within File Explorer. Any changes you make here will sync to your Google Drive in the cloud. If you find yourself using Google Drive frequently, it's helpful to make it even easier to access by pinning it to Quick Access. Quick Access is the area at the very top of the left sidebar, and it's designed for your most used folders. To do this, locate Google Drive in the left sidebar of File Explorer, right-click on the Google Drive entry. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Pin to Quick Access and click it. As soon as you do, Google Drive will appear under the Quick Access section at the top of the sidebar. From now on, no matter where you are in File Explorer, you'll have Google Drive right at the top, ready to open with a single click. That's all you need to seamlessly integrate Google Drive into File Explorer on Windows and keep your cloud files just a click away.